Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Mains General Studies Paper 3. So this is the question and let's see what is in it. From which of the following countries did Tipu Sultan seek help to expel the British from India? The first option in France, secondly Turkey, thirdly Arabia and Afghanistan, and the last option is all of the above. So here we just not only give you the answer but try to also give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. Tipu Sultan sought help from all of the mentioned countries, France and Turkey were the prominent countries with which Tipu Sultan had sound relations, with which Tipu Sultan has sound relations. Tipu sought military assistance from the Tipu sought military assistance from the Caliph to put an end to the British menace in India. And to the British menace in India. In order to impress upon the Caliph the gravity of the situation, in order to impress upon the Caliph the gravity of the situation and the urgency of his demand, and the urgency of his demand, Tipu sought to arouse the religious sentiments of the Caliph. Tipu sought to arouse the religious sentiment of the Caliph by highlighting to him the subversive and deceitful manner. Caliph by highlighting to him the subversive and deceitful manner in which the British had become overlords of large parts of territory. Deceitful manner in which the British had become overlords of large parts of territory which actually belongs to Mughals, which actually belongs to Mughals. So that's it. Therefore, the last answer, the last option is the correct one. So here we just not only give you the answer but try to give a small description about it, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.